Over the last 3 years, I've received hundreds, if not over 1,000 DMs from those of you who have made my super simple viral chuck roast. It's by far my most popular recipe, and the reason it has become such a household favorite for many of you is because it's incredibly simple with minimal ingredients and the easiest prep. It's a total crowd pleaser for all ages. It's customizable to your heart's desire, and it's a very low effort way to feed a group. I love seeing the way you've served this simple roast, whether it's with roasted potatoes and carrots, onions and garlic, your favorite herbs and seasoning blends. Share in the comments how you've used it so we can learn from your creative and delicious ideas. Cheers.